Most Sears Craftsman garage door remotes use a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. To replace it, first locate the battery compartment on the back of the remote, which may have a screw or snap-open design. Use a flathead screwdriver or coin to carefully open the case. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032, ensuring the positive side is facing up as indicated inside the compartment. Reassemble the remote and test its functionality by pressing the button to open or close the garage door. If it doesn't work, check for corrosion on the contacts and ensure the battery is correctly oriented. If your remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, check for water damage or corrosion inside the compartment. Clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol if corrosion is present. This removes buildup and restores electrical connection. While DIY battery replacements are common and cost-effective, the trend is shifting towards smart home integration and app-based garage door controls. Be mindful of e-waste and recycle old batteries properly to reduce environmental impact. Some aftermarket kits offer rechargeable lithium-ion alternatives for the CR2032, promoting sustainability and reducing waste.